children, today let's start with chapter number 8, evaluation path. Right? So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the path on devolution and the concept of Supreme Court. So, throughout the world, people practice various rituals to explore their devotion to gods. Some says bhajan, kirtans, kavalis, and other chants virchan they are silently. Now we have Sufi and Bhakti movement that emerged in the 18th century. So, first is concept of Supreme Court. सो इन एंशंट इंडिया पीपल वर्शिप मैनी डिफरेंट गॉड एंड गॉडेस. देखो एंशंट इंडिया में जो लोग हैं वो डिफरेंट गॉड एंड गॉडेस को वर्शिप करते हैं. एज ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स एक्सपेंडेड, जो नए आइडियाज हैं अबाउट द वर्शिप ऑफ द नेचर हैव बीन इमर्ज. द कंसेप्ट ऑफ कर्मा वेयर वन एक्शन इन हिज लाइफ इन्फ्लुएंस द फ्यूचर lives become important, and believes that person's social status was determined by birth gained prominence. And during 16th century, Jainism and Buddhism gained popularity because they advocated on equal society and rejected caste system based on the birth. So another important movement was Bhakti movement, which means immense devotion and surrender to a personal life, which is found in the roots in ancient texts like Upanishad, Qurans, and Bhagavad Gita. Deities like Shiva, Vishnu, Durga, they become central figures in this movie. And goddess and goddess with some different reason were associated with them. So integration allowed local myths and legends to become a part of Puranic condition, right? So what are the Alvars and Nayars in South India? ये unique form of bhakti है, and some of the earlier bhakti movement led by Alvars, worshippers of Vishnu, and Narayans क्या क्या worship of Shiva. ये हिम्स खाते थे तमिल में. एंड आर प्राइमरी सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट अल्वर्स एंड नायर्स, दे वर इंक्लूडेड इन द hagiographies and biographies of this saint, poet, saint, and hence and the poems compiled later. What happened? Philosophy and what two prominent philosophers were discussed. First is Shankara and then is Ramanujara. Shankara means Adi Shankaracharya, hailed from Kerala and advocated the philosophy of Advaita Vedanta. Shankara believed that there is only one ultimate reality in the universe, and he refers to this ultimate reality as Brahman, which is omnipresent and does not have a specific form. According to Shankara, जो world है around that, it's a illusion. वो एक तरीका क्या है? Illusion है and something not entirely real. He asserted that salvation could only be attained by renouncing worldly desire. कि अगर आप अपने desire को छोड़ देंगे तब ही आप क्या कर सकते हो salvation में. Ramanuja was followed by the doctrine of Vishwadvida, the devotee of Vishnu teaching spread in the Bhakti movement. So in mid-12th century, Bhashwana was initiated as Veerashaivism in Karnataka against the caste system, hierarchy and mistreatment of women. Then we have Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, regional of the Bhakti development with focus on Vithala form of Vishnu, ritualism, caste system and renunciation. So we have Nathpanthis, Siddhas and Yogis. Nathpanthis क्या थे? During medieval age, several new religious groups emerged. जो किसको criticize कर रहे थे? Conventional religions with local alchemy. These included Nathpanthis, Siddhacharyas and Yogi, and they advocated renunciation of worldly desire. और उन्होंने किसको focus करा? On meditation, जिससे क्या attain कर सकता है? Oneness with formless ultimate reality. To achieve this, they practice intense physical and mental tests. Islam and Sufism, if we talk about Islam, a prominent religion, firmly upholds the belief in monotheism. And what he rejects? Worship of idols and multiple deities. With the realm of Islam, there existed a group जो deeply religious था, individual known as Sufis. They were critical of the rigid course जो prescribed थे आपके theologians and sought salvation. Life and teaching of Prophet Muhammad, who they regarded as the ultimate example of human perfection. Sufi engaged in various practices to nurture their spiritual connection with God, like zikr, sama, rags, and contemporaries. Zikr क्या था? Chanting the name of God. Sama, singing spiritual song. Rags means dancing, and competition means deep introspection या हम meditation करते हैं ना, उसको क्या बोला जाता है? Contemplation. These practice was conducted under guidance of spiritual leaders, जिसको हम पीर कहते थे, और master. Guidance was instrumental in their spiritual journey. Sufi teachers form distinct groups जिनको हम सिलसिलास कहते हैं, right, like Chishti, Qadiri और Shukravar. Two prominent teachers of Chishti Sufi order were Khwaja Minuddin Chishti of Ajmer and Khwaja Nizam Awliya of Delhi. The Sufi established communities, इन्होंने community establish करी around hospices called Khangas, and Khangas were under the guidance of spiritual teachers. इसको हम Pir, Hazrat या Sheikh से. Upon passing, Sufi teachers or Sheikh with term defended of Dargah often become place of pilgrimage, and the practice seemed to believe to be a depaired souls of these Sufi sects. And what they achieved? Union with God. Now, new religious reform in North India. Late 13th century, a new wave of Bhakti movement emerged in North India. ये जो movement थी, it was influenced by different religions, जिसका आपका Islam, Hindu, Sufism, Naths, Siddhas, Vedis, and various forms of Bhakti are included. It resonated with emerging social groups, especially traders, peasants, and laborers. So, two well-known poets saints who played a significant role during this period were Tulsidas and Surdas. They devote followers of Lord Rama, and what they composed epic Ramchandramanas to make existing religious practice accessible to all. सब क्या कर सके, इसको access कर सके. Shankradeva, hailing from Assam, believed in the worship of Lord Vishnu. What he established houses of recitation called namkars, where people gathered to listen and they. लोग क्या करते थे, इकट्ठे उतारते थे और उसको सुनते थे. Kabir, another prominent poet saint, lived during 14th century. Muslim weaver family से belong करते थे near Benares. Kabir verses is known as Shakis and Pats provide insights into profound ideas, and these verses were sung by Windbring Bhajan. और जो आपके पंच वनी थे, गुरुगण साहित्य थे, कबीर के composition tell several languages and they were easily understood by the ordinary people. Right? Kabir rejected major religious tradition and ritual, adopting that salvation could be attained only through devotion और भक्ति. आप पूजा पाठ करो, भक्ति करो, उससे आप क्या कर सकते हो, क्या salvation ले सकते. Now, Baba Guru Nanak. Born in Talwandi, present Nepal, rejected ritual sacrifice and what they elaborate, that is worship. Guru Angad compiled hymns and composition of Guru Nanak and his successor along with those saints like Sheikh Farid, Ravidas, Sant Kabir. In the Guru Granth Sahib, this was written in a new script known as Guru Mukh. Then we have Mirabai, the most well-known female poet saint of Bhakti tradition was Rajput princess of Neva. She was married to Bhojral, the ruler of Rajasthan, right? But she left the place to become a veteran singer and devotee of Lord Krishna. Her composition challenged upper caste norms, right? And most of the poets saint composed their verses in regional language that were accessible to the common people. ठीक है, ये क्या थी? Accessible थी common people को. And since much of his poetry was recited orally and passed down through generation, personal variation were added to this. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.